Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the weekly recap of Amplified Investing. I was out of town in Seattle for the whole week and I was unable to make these awesome videos. So what I'm gonna do today is just do a full week recap right here, right now. So what we do here is we place call credit spreads and put credit spreads, essentially covered positions on the S&P 500. That is the only ticker that we trade. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I got to dive into this because we got a lot to go over. And if you want to get in the Discord at any point too, feel free to go ahead and use the resources down below. I have a direct link so that you can sign up for the pass. Just be sure to use that discount code AMP. You will save some money on your very first month of being up in there. All right, so here we go. Monday. My man was doing role management. So last week, go ahead and check out my previous video that I was doing, talking about all the positions that we were doing. We essentially let a trade expire, and now my man is letting or reopening essentially a new position. So on the S&P, we went ahead and placed a 43.20 and 43.35 call credit spread expiring this Friday, the 10th. For an 11.25 credit. Now that's juicy, y'all. That's a fat credit. All right, now don't open this unless you were one of the 10 members that got filled last week. So I'm just gonna save the drama on what that is. Again, go ahead and check out my previous video if you wanna get the full breakdown on what that means. All right, then on the 7th, so Tuesday, my man went ahead and placed a 1 day to expiration call credit spread at 44.25 and 44.35 mark for a 0.4 credit. Now, not many of us got a fill at that mark. So we just kind of let that one sit all day. Nobody got a fill unless, of course, you did something on your own and adjusted the strikes and or credit to receive on opening that position. Now, my man went ahead the following day, the 8th now, he placed a new call credit spread expiring 1 day on the 9th at the 44.35 and 44.35 mark for a 0.4 credit. From there, price action, we did not get a fill on that sucker either. So what we ended up doing was canceling that. Then he placed a new 2 day to expiration expiring on the 10th at the 44.35 mark and the 44.45 mark for a bigger credit of 0.55. We got fills on that bad boy. And now let me scroll on down, That trade today, Friday, was good to let expire. So now he's addressing the Monday placed position that we got for that juicy 11 credit, 11 and some change, 11.25, I believe. My man went ahead. This is only for like those 10 or so members. We're gonna go ahead and adjust this now expiring on the 15th. I believe that's Wednesday of next week for a 0.5 credit, or excuse me, debit. We went ahead and adjusted the strikes as well to 43.50 and 43.70. So we widened a little bit as well. So thank you for tuning in. And like I said, I got the links down below. If y'all wanna hop up in there, just use that discount code AMP and you will save some money on your very first month. This was a great week. We'll see what next week has ahead of us. And yeah, y'all, thank you for tuning in. See you soon.